Hello, we are from the group
SMLY.
My name is Tristan, and today I'll be presenting our innovational proposal focused on the water cycle. This water cycle has many disruptions nowadays, and this invention will teach us how we can use eco-friendly technology and restore its balance. Let's begin with the background, shall we? Water is absorbed by plant roots and released into the atmosphere by transpiration. Animals also contribute by going through respiration. These natural processes regulate water content in the atmosphere and the soil. Plants play a very crucial role because their roots can hold the soil together, therefore reducing erosion and improving soil structure. However, despite its natural efficiency, human activities like deforestation and also pollution have disrupted the water cycle. These disruptions have caused so many problems to our dear Earth, such as irregular rainfall patterns, and reduced soil quality. Other than that, there's also a slight issue with our education nowadays, more as traditional education, as you can say, because students nowadays have to use textbooks, PowerPoint, or even simple experiments. But by doing that, most students don't even understand what they're learning. So, with this project, our objective is to raise awareness about water conservation and also make students' life easier by having a simpler educational day in school. Now, how does this help students about the water cycle in a more easier way? The project is designed to teach students the stages of the water cycle. By this invention, we made that so students will have a better understanding how the environment works as a system. Now, we'll demonstrate our invention. As you can see, we have evaporation, which means water from ocean, rivers, and lakes heats up and turns into water vapor, rising into the air. Then we have transpiration. Plants release water vapor from their leaves into the atmosphere, or you can say like plant sweat. Other than that, we have condensation. Water vapor in the air cools down and forms clouds. Then we will have precipitation, which means that when clouds get heavy, water falls as rain, snow, sleet, or even hail. After that, we have collection, which means that water that collects in ocean, river, lakes, also into the ground to become groundwater. Then we repeat. The cycle continues again and again, and it never stops. Now, by engaging in these activities that combine science and the real-world issues, students will not only learn the scientific concepts, but also know how human behaviors impacts natural systems, also helping them become more responsible and informed global citizens. Now, natural water cycle processes we can include promoting water harvesting while also educating the public on modern water conservation strategies. In our creation phase, we will present the diagram and flowchart to illustrate our plan. This innovation can be built into a prototype or even a sketch, showing how technology can work with nature and not against it. During the testing phase, we'll conduct an observation and get the data to evaluate the effectiveness of our proposed solution. From there, improvement can be made. Our goal in our improvement phase is to offer low-cost, eco-friendly solutions that can be address real-world water problems and support the sustainable development goal for quality education by educating communities and young learners on water cycle awareness and conservation. Thank you!